One Show, Mary Berry discusses COVID vaccine. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these news. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or service. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any day. Mary, 85, has been a beloved baking show fixture for many years. She starred in Great British Bake Off, Saturday Kitchen, and most recently in Celebrity Best Home Cook, which airs tonight on the BBC. During a sit-down with journalists, the show's host Winkleman gave insight into several clashes. The TV star described Dame Mary as a goddess and someone who put everyone at ease, but admitted they had fallen. Winkleman continued, "She is the kindest girl and her knowledge is phenomenal." However, there was one subject Winkleman and Dame Mary struggled to see eye to eye on. Winkleman explained that their fallout came after a discussion about a type of celery known as celeriac. It's often debated how to eat the food, whether it's better to consume raw or cut. While Winkleman didn't give any further details about her spat with Dame Mary, she did state that it happened multiple times. She said, "I've often had rows about celeriacs with Mary." Trending, the TV star then quipped, "I think she might be unwell." Ahead of Celebrity Best Home Cook's release last month, Dame Mary revealed the best way to win her over in the. She told the BBC that the competitors should cook from the heart and be good at timekeeping. Dame Mary continued, "Keep an eye on the times. If you don't finish, there is nothing for us to judge." She admitted that the best way to ensure a perfect dish was to make a plan before you start and get organized. The chef added, "Put the oven on." Some celebrities may forget this. When asked what meal she would eat for the rest of her life, she gave a surprise. Dame Mary said, "Toasted sourdough, unsalted butter and homemade marmalade." She also revealed that she would accompany that meal with a chilled glass of white wine. Dame Mary added, "Nutritionally not great, but it keeps me going." Last month, it was claimed that Dame Mary spied on the celebrities during the competition with Budak. Tom Reed Wilson told The Sun that the seasoned chef often watched the contestants from a 15-feet-high platform above. He added, "Because of COVID, Dame Mary was on a kind of beautiful mezzanine that they built. They gave her a pair of beautiful opera glasses so she could look over and see what we're up to," which was. Mr. Reed Wilson said he couldn't be happier about Dame Mary.